I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts. Make sure the child has a child Microsoft or Xbox account and you have an adult account in the family group. Once signed in, go to the Xbox Family Settings app or Family, Microsoft. And verify the child appears under your family. Next, enable two-step verification on your parent account to prevent accidental changes. This matters because parental rules follow the account without proper roles and secure sign-in. Changes won't apply to Minecraft. Once accounts are correct, adjust privacy and app permissions so Minecraft can run. In privacy settings, set communication and multiplayer to allow for the child if you want online play, otherwise, set to block. Then, in app and game limits, explicitly allow Minecraft or add it to an exceptions list and set time windows. Also check crossplay and online status toggles. Minecraft features depend on cross-platform permissions. Make sure to save changes and wait a few minutes for Microsoft servers to propagate settings. Finish by applying changes on the target device. Sign out, reboot, and sign back in with the child account so permissions refresh locally. If settings still block Minecraft after propagation, remove and re-add the child to your family group and reapply permissions. This forces a reset. Also verify NAT type and router firewall. Strict NAT can block multiplayer even with permissions allowed. If problems persist, test on another device to isolate whether the issue is account, device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.